Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, F414 variant likely to power Mk-2 jets. HAL, a state-run company in India, and American firm GE are in advanced discussion regarding the joint manufacturing of F414 jet engines for fighter aircraft. The collaboration aims to explore opportunities for technological cooperation beyond the engines. Next, India-US likely to join hands in developing hypersonic attack cruise missile. India and the United States have initiated discussions to collaborate on the advancement of cutting-edge next-generation technologies, including the development of hypersonic attack cruise missile. These missiles would possess the capability to be air-launched from India's P-81 maritime patrol aircraft, enabling them to target heavily defended carrier battle groups, that is CBGs, or flotillas of warships. Next, India issues revised NOTAM for ballistic missile test. NOTAM has been issued for a launch of a missile in the Bay of Bengal for the period from 7th to 8th June that was previously issued for the period of 18th to 19th May 2023 as per information provided. Next, HAL officials brief Argentina officials on Tejas and ALH-DHRUV helicopter for potential collaboration. In a significant development aimed at fostering collaboration in the field of defense aviation, a delegation led by Dinesh Bhatia from HAL headquarters in Bangalore, India met with General Guillermo Pereda, Chief of Staff of Ejército Argentino at the Ministry of Defense. The purpose of the meeting was to present potential collaboration opportunities in the domain of helicopters. Furthermore, the Argentine team was briefed about the Tejas combat aircraft, which is being offered to the Argentine Air Force to fulfill its fighter jet requirements. Next, 500 to 600 Indian MSMEs to be part of F414 engine supply chain in India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Joe Biden are expected to make a significant announcement during their upcoming meeting scheduled between June 21st to 24th of this year in Washington, D.C. The two leaders are set to unveil a mega defense deal that marks a significant milestone in the India-US strategic partnership. Next, Defense PSU Gliders India raises concern over Army's exclusion from parachute contract. This company has raised questions and concerns regarding the Indian Army's decision to exclude them from a recent parachute contract. The move has sparked discussions about the selection process and has raised eyebrows within the defense industries. The Indian Army recently awarded a significant contract for parachute to foreign vendor, raising concerns about the exclusion of Gliders India, a domestic defense public sector undertaking with expertise in manufacturing gliders and related equipment. Next, ISRO assigns Gaganyaan mission mandate to Tata Elaxi for execution. In a significant development, the ISRO has entrusted Tata Elaxi with the responsibility of delivering the mandate for the prestigious Gaganyaan mission. The partnership marks a crucial step towards in India's ambitious space exploration program. Tata Elaxi, a leading design and technology service company, has been bestowed with the mandate to execute key aspects of the Gaganyaan mission. Next, Germany's strategic ties with India important for Indo-Pacific, German defense minister says. German industry is in a good place in the race for India's project to procure 6 stealth submarine. German Defense Minister Boris Pistorius said on Tuesday, after holding talks with his Indian counterpart Rajnath Singh that focused on joint development of key military platforms and cooperation in the Indo-Pacific. Thank you.